Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Chaube, Assistant Professor of Suraj Gyan Bihar University. Today we will talk about the agroecological zone, their soil resources and cropping system. So let's see what is the agroecological zone. So agroecological zone, their soil resources and cropping system. Uh, India is gifted with heterogeneous landform and variety of climatic conditions, such as the lofty mountains, uh, the riverines, deltas, high altitude forest, and peninsulas, plateaus, variety of geological formations, underwood with temperature varying from Arctic cold to equatorial hot, and the rainfall forms extremely aridity. Uh, with a few centimeters, less than 10 centimeter to pre-humid, with world's maximum rainfall 1,120 centimeter of several hundred centimeters. This provides some macro relief of a high plateaued open valleys, rolling upland plants plants. So swampy lowlands and the barren desert. This were varying environmental situations in the country, having resulted in greater variety of soils. Therefore, is a systematic appraisal of agroecological region has a Thunder's scope in the grouping relatively homogeneous region in terms of soil, climate, and the physiography and conducive moisture availability periods, length of a growing season, and planning appropriated land use. Depending upon a soil bioclimate type of and physiographic situations, the country has been grouped into a 20 agro-eco region (AER) and 60 agro-eco sub-region (ARSE). Each agro-eco sub-region has further been classified into a agro-eco unit at a district level for developing long-term and use strategies. The constraints and the potential with appropriated uh, ameliorative measure have been described and suggest for each reason for a better understanding and adoption for formulating the plans to suggest a crop and cropping system which will be a help in minimizing the deterioration of land quality controlled by a soil physical condition and nutrient availability of organic carbon. Introduction about the agroecological zones. So the soil, water, climate, flora and fauna constitute the basic nature and resources and the nature terrors of any country. The soil is the most important among them. It is the basic source of produce the food, fodder, fuel and fiber. So the necessities of the human being, the agriculture and the other allied activities, and in turn the prosperity of and economic growth of the country depends on the soil resources. And also we can say soil is the most wonders gift of nature to human society, development of soil from earth and evolution of homo sapiens have gone and hand in hand. So truly 4.5 billion years old earth is a mother of soil. If planet earth is inhabited with human and other life forms, it is because there is a soil on it. When you have land, you have the word submitted to UNCCD by Richard Byron Cox. Uh, and also soil is a born form from a weathering of minerals and unconsolidated rock sitting on the top of the earth. Soil formation is the slow process taking a nature between 80 to 75 years to generate 1 centimeter of soil. So, what constitutes soil is a mixture of the powdered minerals, particles, organic matter, water, and air. Presence of organic matter, living and dead in soil gives life to it. Bioresources also lend dynamize and health, enabling soil performance fundamental function for the benefit of human kind and environment. These functions are what are called ecological service, includes the sustenance of a farm and forestry production, defense against the physical forces of the nature like erosive runoff and flooding, sinking for atmospheric carbon, nitrogen and water stocking, biodiversity conservations and climate regulations. On count of the benevolence, Indians treat soil as a mother and cheers fondly that they were brought into a being by it soil. Uh, that explain we why they called us soil Vishwagarbha, word of comb. So पृथ्वी सुखता पृथ्वी सुखता अर्थ वेदा दे मेंटेन्स मिट्टी इससे आए थे मिट्टी में मिल जाओगे मीनिंग लुक बर्थ फॉर्मल सॉइल when that will be a part of soil, so establishing thereby the perhaps the earliest reverence for soil and the close bond between a soil and human society. So ecologists enlist soil as one of the five vital natural resources. Others four are fresh water, biodiversity, climate, and both native and fossil fuel energy. It is a it is a another and provider of survival support system for all linings. So Hindus reverse soil as a mother and regards it taken care of nature's humankind with food to eat and raiment to cover and protect body. So Contrarily, if you abuse it will sound that kennel for entire life and living. So Prithvi Sukta describe the soil as a dharti, neutral and a protector of mankind. In 1937, wrote Franklin D. Roosevelt, President of USA, the nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. He further went on to state the history of every nation is eventually writing in which it carries for the soil. So as long as the use of soil was in harmony with its inborn attributes and carrying capacity, it maintained a sustainable health and quality. Its inherent potential productivity, good good health was seldom done construct in the present times with the mounting number of humans and the is lasting need for a food and carrying capacity stand bluntly transgraded and the non-sustainable land use assisted glorious in the extent and intensity. This development have exposed the soil quality to process of the generation process of a degradation and anatomy of soil health, causing a decline in the native soil health and the productivity potential. Fall in potential productivity is a sign of a poor soil health. Many estimates to point out the potential productivity of world cropland cropland and destroying past due to weakening soil health quality. According to UNCCD 2011, every minute 10 hectare land is lost or to a degradation process like erosion, nutrient depletion, salinity, alkalinity, acidity, and compaction. So, United Nations Environment Program has estimated that during the second half and 20th century world compromised quality of the 2 billion hectare farmland to a degradation. Old man and adult 1990 near 120 million hectare of India. Terraform stand exposed to a soil quality damaging process, whether a global or regional. This plunger was largely employed by the anthropogenic process of whether global or regional. This plunger was largely employed by anthropogenic misses of a soil. While a non-sustainable intensive agriculture practice, the problem does not stop here since every year 2 to 5 million hectares. So new degraded land is added to this category. This International Food Policy Research Institute assessed about one out of 4 hectare of total global land area has been affected by a Rural Act of a Man. In term of food grain production, this translate into an annual loss of 20 billion tons or a per second percent of a global annual grain production. So worldwide, 1.5 billion people and 42% of the every poor live on the degraded lands. The share of India is the global degraded of soil areas is about 10% and of population. is 70%. The ongoing presence or pressure of the feeding burgeoning population, typically in country like India, it has been more imperative more than ever before to protect and the passive quality of soil resources and sustainability build productive growth since outlasting on soil quality more than nature it at the act of all the stockholders, farmer, builders, common folk, they have to be a part of the protection and the conservation program also. So India is gifted heterogeneous landforms and the variety, the climate conditions such as the lofty and mountain and the ravines and deltas, high altitude forest and peninsulas, a particular variety of geological mountains and involved with the temperature varying from the Arctic cold to equatorial hot and rainfall from extremely aridity with so few centimeter less than a 10 uh, less than 10 centimeter to per humidity with the words as a maximum rainfall 11 20 centimeter of several hundred centimeter. This provides a macro relief of high platitude, open valleys, rolling upland and fertile plains and swampy lowland and the barren desert. This varying environmental situation in the country have resulted in a greater variety of soil compared into the any other part of the world. Therefore, is a systematic appraisal of agroecological reason and comprising the relatively homogeneous regions in terms of soil climate and physiography and the conducive moisture and availability period is that the length of the growing period will help in planning of appropriate and land use. So concept agro climatic zone is a land unit in terms of a major climate superimposed on length of a growing period, moisture availability period, where an agroecological zone in is the land unit covered out of agroecological zones and the land unit covered out of agro to assess yield potentiality of a different crop. Land use is different ecological region zone combinations in agroecological region and zone. So to formulate for future plan of action involving crop diversification to disseminate agriculture research and agro technology to other homogeneous area to determine the crop suitable for the optimize. Mat- the methodology used in the delineation of agroecological region is the four basic maps is that the soil physiography, land and growing period, the bioclimate and the required to declare that and the land agroecological region. Uh, Agroecological subregion and agroecological zone at a state and agroecological unit at the watershed level. The criteria used at the different levels of ecological zoning, uh, exercise and source and so the nomenclature used in describe the AER may be denoted from the key of a symbol C of figure 2 for the sake of clarity is the described for the case. So A is a physiological, physiographical region, Western Himalaya A, and 13 soil shallow scaled, skeletal skeletal soil. EH hyper-arid bioclimate zone is 1 is equal length of the growing period 16 less than 16 days. Thus, the whole unit is read as a Western Himalaya shallows skeletal soil, the hyper-arid climate with LGP less than 60 days. Each agro-eco region has been grouped into a agro-eco sub-region AESR and described in a subsequent pages incorporating details about the climate soil area. So here is a climate ecological climate zone area level first row in a agroecological region of India 20 AER for resources planning at a national level. So I grade group associated here 1:7 meter scale and a physiography board of 15 division semi arid and sub-humid areas and climate arid humid per humid um, after a Northwide and the Mother 1955 and the Panama LGP 19 days and 90 to 150 and 150 to 210. Agroecological sub-region of India AESR for resources planning at the regional level. Subgroup associated scale 1:1 meter. Subdivision sub arid type and arid hyper arid semi-arid dry semi-arid moisture subhumid dry moisture humid 60 days to interval and agroecological zones of state level for the resources planning at the state level. The soil family associated 1 to 2 lakh 50,000 scale and form a biochemical composition compostation based on the subdivision level rainfall data. LPG is the online with 15 days interval. Agroecological unit at a district level for the resources planning at the district level. Soil series association of 1 to 50,000 scale and geomorphic units. Bioclimatic composting based on the rainfall at the block level. LPG to lines with a 7 days and 10 days interval and agroecological unit at the water shade levels. Soil phase 1 to 50 scale and details of a geometric units and effective rainfall units LGP based on the AWC soil units. So agroecological regions agroecological Agroecological region in India has a variety uh, has a variety. So agriculture is highly dependent on a soil and climate and ever increasing need for food to support and growing population in the country demands and the systematic appraisal of its soil and climatic resources in order to prepare a captive land use plants. So India has a variety of landscape and the climate condition, and this is reflected in the development of different soil and types of vegetation. Based on 50 years of climate data on and up to data. Soil database, the country has been divided into a 20 agroecological zone. Each 20 ecological zone is an uniform as possible is terms of a physiographic climate land of a growing period and the soil types for a micro level and use of planning and the effective transfer for a technology. 20 ecological zone is derived like that agroecological zone and graphical area million hectare and gross cropped area million hectare and physiographic and prescriptions at PHM land of the growing periods and major crops. So like that the growth area cold arid and ecoregion with the shallow scattered soils and 50 to 5 graphical area and gross crop area median 0.07 western Himalaya and prescribes and less than 150 and 1 less than 800. The length of growing period less than 90. So major crops, vegetables, millets, wheat, fodder, barley, and the pulses. The second one is a hot arid ecoregion with desert and saline soil. So 31.9 geographical area million hectare and gross cropped area 22 8.5 physiographic western plants and the Kanchan Kutch peninsula precipitation and less than 300 and PET 1500 to 1000 and length of growing period less than 90 and millets and fodder pulses. So third one is a hot area arid ecoregion with red and black soil. 4.9 graphical area and a gross cropped area 4.18 and physiographic Deccan platitude precipitation mm 400 to 500 and PET 800 to 1900. Length of the growing period is less than 90 and major crops sorghum, sunflower, cotton, groundnut, sunflower, sugarcane. Hot semi-arid ecoregion with the alluvium derived soil 32 to 30% and gross crop area million 32 to 0.5 northern plain and the central highlands included a part of Gujarat and plains. 500 to 800 precipitation and the PET 14 to 1900. Length of growing periods 90 to 150 and major crop millets and wheat, pulses and major irrigation cotton, irrigated cotton and sugarcane. And fifth one is a hot semi-arid ecoregion with medium and deep black soil, graphical area 17.6 to 11.04, physiographic Central Malwa Highland, Gujarat plants and Katwar peninsulas. Precipitations 500 to 1000 and PET 16 to 2000 and the length of growing periods 90 to 150. Major crops millets and wheat and pulses. Sixth one is a hot semi-arid ecoregion with the shallow with a medium dominant black soil. 31% area and 25% 05 gross cropped area. Physiology, Deccan Plateau and precipitation 600 to 1000 and PET 1600 to 18,000 and length of the growing period are 90 to 150 periods and the major crops are millets, cottons, pulses and sugar cane and under uh, irrigation. Hot semi-arid eco region with the red and black soils 16 to 5 graphic area and 6.9 gross cropped area and Deccan Telangana and Platitude of Eastern Ghats. 6 to 1000 and precipitations and the PET 16 to 17 and land of growing 90 to 150. So millets and oil seed, rice, cotton and sugar cane and under arid areas major crops. Hot hot semi region arid eco region with red loamy soil area is 90.1 and gross crop area 6.96 and Eastern Ghats, Tamil Nadu, upland and the Deccan Plateau, Karnataka 600 to 1000 precipitation area and 13 to 1300 to 1600 PET and growing period and 90 to 150 millets and pulses, oilseed, groundnut, sugarcane and rice under irrigation area and hot subhumid dry ecoregion with the alluvial ravine soil ecographic geographical area 12.21 and gross cropped area million 11.62. Northern plain physiological graphic area and precipitation 1000 to 15 precipitation and uh, precipitation and PET 14 to 18 and length of growing period and 15 to 180 and rice 15 to 18 a length of growing period and rice, wheat, sorghum and soybean, gram, peas and pea. Hot, humid eco-region with red and yellow soils. Graphic area is 11.1 and graph crop area 6.47 and physiological eastern latitude. Chhattisgarh region and precipitation to 1200 to 1600 and PET 14 to 15 and length of growing period 150 to 180 rice millets wheat peasant pea gram black gram 12th one is a hot subhumid ecoregion with arid and lateric soil. Area is 26.8 and gross cropped area 12.09. Eastern Chota Nagpur and Plateau and the Eastern Ghats. Precipitation area 1000 to 1600 and PET 14 to 1700 and length of going 150 to 180. Crop rice and pulses millets. Hot, some humid, moist ecoregion with alluvium derived soil 11.1 area and 10.95 gross crop area and Alston plants and 14 to 1600 precipitation area 8 to 13 800 to 1300 PET and 182 to 10 length of growing period. And rice and wheat sugarcane main crop and warm humid which includes of a pre-humid ecoregion with brown forest and podogenic geolic soils. So 18 to 2% graphical area and 3.20 gross crop area Western Himalayan 16 to 2000 precipitation 8 to 13 PETM 180 to 210 length of growing and wheat and millets maize rice is a main crop. So hot sub humid moist and the humid includes of a pre-humid ecoregion with alluvial derived soils areas 12.1 and gross crop area 8.99 and Bengal Basin and the Assam Plains and 14 to 2000 precipitation area 1000 to 14 PET and greater than 210 length of growing period and major crop wheat millets and rice and jute plantation crop and warm pre-humid ecoregion with brown and red soil hill soil. So gross area 9.6 and gross cropped area 1.37 Eastern Himalaya 2400 precipitation and less than 1000 PET and greater than 210 length of growing period and major crop is rice, millets, potato, maize, sesame, jump cultivation is common here. So warm pre-humid ecoregion with red and lateric soil. So 10.6 geographic area and 1.6 12 gross crop area and eastern coastal plains 900 to 1600 and 12 to 1900 and 10 to 10 lands area and rice, coconut, black gram, lentil, sunflower, groundnut, major crop, hot, humid, upper humid ecological with the red lateric and the alluvial direct soil. 11.1 gross geographical area and 5.270 gross crop area Western Ghat and the coastal plains 2000 to 3200 area 14 to 1600 area precipitation greater than 210 length of growth and rice Tapicona and coconut spices, hot, humid, and pre-humid Iceland ecoregion with red, loamy, and sandy soils. 0.8 geographical area and 6.12 gross covered area million hectare and physiography. Uh, Iceland of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, and precipitation minimum 16 to 13 and PT greater than 210, and a major crop is rice, coconut area, nut oil and planet. So here is a completed 20 agroecological region in India, explained with gross cropped area and physiological, geological, physiographic environment of topic graphic. Uh, Eco-ecological zoning is the process of the correlating the unit of physiographic and bioclimatical scopes and the length of the growing period. So each one of these aspect of have a very wide number of the classes and the subdivision, which is already we knew about it. Uh, so thank you. Here is completed soil geological ecological area.